Hey guys, it's been a while. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. So we're back here for another video. Ngayon lang tayo ulit nakapag-upload. And for today, gusto ko lang naman i-share kung ano yung mga nabili kong sneaker out of those sneakers na in-unload ko for, I think, starting December up to ngayong January. So if you're interested, I'll show you this pairs of sneaker na i-unbox lang natin for today. Let's go! Now, before anything else, I'd like to thank everyone na nakasubscribe at saka sumusuporta sa channel to because we've already hit 1,000 subscriber and actually we can activate yung monetization natin anytime. And then we will definitely start it within once I have uploaded itong video na to. So again, thank you so much everyone and soon for sure magkakaroon tayo ng giveaway. Alright, so going into the unboxing of this sneaker, bago natin buksan itong mga to, first of all, nabanggit ko nga kanina, no, I have unloaded some sneakers that I have para makabili din ng iba pang mga parang kicks or mga bagong sneakers. So, I think that's the idea. If you don't really have the budget to buy a new one, then why not if yung mga pairs na hindi na natin nagagamit, you just have to sold it. Kasi lately, parang medyo madami ako nabenta. Binenta ko yung Jordan 4 na Taupe Haze, yung Mocha, Jordan 1 Mocha, yung Jordan 4 na University Blue. I also sold yung Mono Clay na Yeezy T50, yung Kobe Bruce Lee, and even yung Dunk Barely Green na low. I think that's for the women's release. And though hindi lahat yon, parang pinabili ko talaga. I think there are some things or some stuff na pinalit ko sa mga gamit sa bahay. Pero gladly, we have still some of this na nakuha natin. So, here it is. Saan ba natin sisimulan? So, probably simulan natin dito. By the way, shoutout pala kay Daniel, kay kapatid Daniel, di ba? Nandito siya ngayon sa Manila and then ilalagay ko yung link ng kanyang YouTube channel and even socials down below in the description. And then, may sinend siya sa atin na t-shirt. So, we're gonna open this and then we'll see. Okay, from LBC. Actually, pinadala niyo ito nakaraan pa, na-receive na sa bahay. And then, it just so happen na nasa Baguio, kaya hindi ko kagad na nakita ito. So, here's the t-shirt. Okay lang, sabi muna natin ito. Tapo muna natin yung mga, There you go. OMG, sana kasya sa akin to. Dude, thank you so much. Double D Kicks. Like, comment, subscribe kayo kay Daniel. Sobrang salamat. Look at that. O, diba? Panalo. Double D Kicks. Na may nakalagay na Air Max 90. O, diba? Mamaya, try natin isuot mamaya. Okay, tabi muna natin to. Next up, we have... Sige, dito muna tayo sa more obvious na pair. This is a special pair. Alam nyo, nung nag-release to, first time sa mismong website, maraming taong mga nakakuha. And unfortunately, ako hindi. And sobrang bitter ako doon. So, I have to find a way para makabili nito for, even for resale. So, alam nyo na to. With the sleeve and with the box, this is the Jordan 1 Ama Manier. So, there you go. Teka lang, luto nga muna to. Medyo magulo eh. Yan, dyan muna kayo. So, ito, yung Jordan 1 Ama Manier. Look at that. Box is so nice. The details and this is the pair. Okay. Look at that. Ito, nabili ko to ng hindi ganun kataas or below market value. Kasi ngayon, parang mga 20 plus na yung bentahan nito kagad eh. Pero, I'm a fan of Ama Manier since they released yung Jordan 3. So, probably if they will be releasing other silhouettes, bibili din ako, especially if 4. May rumor nga na they will be releasing yung Jordan 2 na Ama Manier. I'm not a fan of 2s, but probably will copy it because it's a collab with Ama Manier. So, we'll probably get it. So, ayan, napaganda. Parang cracked leather yung design. We'll have a separate review of this one. So, that's the first unboxing or first pair that we have. Gilid muna natin to. Saan ba natin lalagay? Teka lang Tatabi ko lang itong mga to. Okay, next. This one is sa mga hindi nakakaalam or probably ako na lang siguro kasi alam ko, nag-release na nito nung 2020 2020. And this is the first time, 2022 this is the first time na nakakuha tayo ng ganitong pair. And again, finally, I've been looking to get one. And this is the Yeezy Foam Runner in the ochre colorway. I think ito yung pinakamura ngayon na Yeezy Foam Runner. So, this is the ochre. Ayan. Sabi ng wife ko, gagawin niya daw itong paso. So, tingnan natin kung anong mga mangyayari. So, sobrang excited ako na suotin to. And then, next up we have this one. This is a New Balance pair. So, actually, kailan ko ba nabili to? I think last week ng December. Nakuha ko yata to last week ng December. I tried to go sa Power Plant Mall. And this is the New Balance 550 in the Team Royal colorway. Yan, mukha siyang Royal Toe. Actually, black toe siya pero Royal, yung colorway. Look at that. Ayan, sige, tignan nyo. O, diba? Gawa na lang din natin ng separate review ito. So, actually, itong pair na to, it released with the panda, yung black and white, tsaka yung parang red and black, or parang, ano ba yun, black toe or red black toe na parang ganong klaseng colorway. I'll put it here in the screen, makikita nyo somewhere, or probably dito na lang. And, ayun. So, ito yung gusto ko because it's blue. Pero actually, ngayon, I'm trying to think if this is something that, or probably, I will really let go of this. Probably, kasi I got another pair na almost close to this, and I think it's better. Kaya sa tingin ko, hindi ko na siya magagamit for now. So, probably later on, I'll sell this. Ngayon, this is the most special one from the pairs that I have bought. Ngayon, this one is actually from Oak Street. So, binuksan ko na siya. Pero actually, tinanggal ko lang yung tape, in-unbox ko lang ng konti, pero hindi ko pa talaga nabuksan at nakita yung pair on the actual, parang on hand. Kasi I would like to save the reaction dito para dito sa video na to. So, here you go. Ayan, look at that. This is the New Balance 550 in collaboration with Rich Paul. Look at that. Ayan, teka lang, tabi muna natin. Diyan ka muna. And then, diyan ka muna. Teka lang. Break time lang. Punas lang akong pawis. Medyo nainitan ako. Okay, sige. So, nagpunas lang ako ng pawis. Medyo mainit pala tong t-shirt na nakuha ko. Kasi printed yung likod. Ayun, ang ganda oh. From Oligarch. Satan, not today. Sana pwede ko ipakita yung buong likod. Pero, that's an oversized shirt. Medyo malaki sa akin. Pero, ang init. Ayun. So, special box. Actually, compared dito, sabi ko, di ba, New Balance 550 compared to this regular or for a box for a generic pair, this one is a bit special. Let me move this. Tignan mo naman. RP. Look at the side. New Balance, Rich Paul, ganito. And then sa likod. Okay, this is it. Moment of truth. We're gonna open it. Teka, ayaw mo buksan. Woo! Teka lang, bago ko tignan talaga yung Okay. Got that sky blue. Got that navy on the side. Ganda. Tingnan nyo naman yung tissue paper niya. It's really special. Maganda rin talaga. And then, if you open it, oh, that's so nice. Woohoo! Ang ganda! Okay, para sa mga fan ng off-white dyan, or mga sale-colored, mga vintage look, I think this one is really for you. Look at that. Sobrang gandang pair. Merong tag ni Oak Street. Actually, this is the first time that I bought from Oak Street. Shout out sa mga tumulong sa akin, sa mga natanong ko. Si Seth, si Danny, and even si Noah. So, I asked them about parang experiences nila sa Oak Street. And then, pretty much, sobrang okay naman yung experience ko. Mabilis lang din. 1 week, dumating kagad siya dito. Ang ganda ng kanyang materials, the color combination, and of course, the color itself. Napakaganda. Yun nga lang, I think may konting issue yung pair na meron ako. Parang may konting chip siya sa ano, or paint chip ba to, or parang gas-gas sa, maliit lang naman, so it's unnoticeable. Pero that's really nice. The other pair, okay. Alam niyo, I would say na the quality is really nice. It's really on point. Pero, there's something with the craftsmanship na medyo parang hindi siya New Balance ano. I don't know this is just the third New Balance that I have. Pero feeling ko yung mga excess glue. Tapos yung mga pag-cut nung leather is not really that nice. Pero pretty much still it's really good though. Ayan. I'll make a separate review of this one as well, by the way. And then since I'm not really sure about the history of this sneaker. To be honest, hindi ko rin kilala si Rich Paul before i-release tong sapatos nito. It's just that I really like the design. So, that's the reason why I copped this. I got this for only like 16,000 plus sa South Street. Plus, meron kasing parang discounted, diba? Or discount sa South Street if you sign up for a new account. So, that's what I tried to. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. So, yun lamang, and quick unboxing lang naman talaga to supposedly. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung mga in-unload ko and ano yung mga ni-reload ko out of those sneakers na binenta ko. You got the Oakers, you got the Manier, you got the Team Royal New Balance 50, and then I got the Rich Paul na sobrang excited akong makuha. So again, I may end up selling this pair and then keep this one, and then that's it. I'm excited for everyone. Looking forward for more content, and then hopefully ngayong panahon ng trangkaso at pataas na COVID cases, hopefully everyone is doing fine. So for sure, malapit na to. Patapos na yung pandemic, and then we'll be back soon. So maraming salamat for the support, for those who are subscribed. If hindi ka pa subscribe, please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, share it to your friends. Comment down below kung ano pinakagusto nyo dito sa mga nakap natin for this year. And special shoutout again kay Daniel, Double D Kicks. So kapatid Daniel, thank you so much dito sa t-shirt na to. So that's it guys. Thanks so much. I'll see you on the next one.